So I've been working out some storage solutions for the van, and one of the things I wanted to do was to get a little storage bins for under the seat. So I found these on Amazon. They are called Fortem, I think, Fortem. They are the standard size, and they fit kind of just perfectly under the seats. So standard size, there's bigger ones, but they won't fit. The nice thing is they're soft, collapsible. They're about $35 each. They're on sale from $44, and then because I bought two, I got another 5% off. And they seem pretty good so far. They have a lid and lots of pouches, so I'll show it to you and then show you how they fit. So there we have the front there. You have little tie downs for either side to keep it from sliding. There's lots of pouches on the side. Same with the other side. And then your D-ring here to be able to tie it down from both sides. You'll know which one is the lid because it has Velcro here, so it opens up. And then you have this partition here that if you want to use it, you can, or you can take that out. All right, so the one that's on the driver's side under the seat, it's going to fit nicely all the way through and in because it doesn't have a cup holder on the side there. So you can see in the front, it's got plenty of space. It's not sticking out. And then you can have a little tie down to stick into there to keep it from sliding out. It won't fit in the middle one because it's too tall and this is in the way. So I'm going to get a different one for the middle. And then the other one, it's going to stick out just a teeny bit. I would say maybe max 2 inches, but not enough that you're gonna trip over it because it doesn't stick out any farther than this D-ring here. So the nice thing is you're still not gonna kick it, but it will stick out a little bit farther than the other one. So I'll show you the other side. So again, this is the driver's side one. Again, it fits perfectly flush, no issues there. And then the passenger side one here, as you can see, just the cup holders in the way. So just a little bit back from there, but again, doesn't stick out so much that it's going to be troublesome. I'm not concerned, but plenty of space in there. So really excited to use those. And then I'm going to get a different one that's a bit lower for here. So as you can see, plenty of space. I just tossed some stuff in there just to show kind of how big it can fit stuff. But yeah, there's lots of space. So I think this is going to be a really good addition for the van.